In this class we will start an analysis, which we will work along the module, in order to know the interface and the way SimulationXpress works. We will perform the initial settings necessary for the development of the analysis. Open the available file, where we have the anchor point hitch, and let's get started. An anchor point is a device fixed in buildings to allow access to firefighters and the exit of people in emergency cases. It is a safety item and its requirements are controlled by standard, which we will not focus on here. We will perform the analysis for the coupling of the anchor point, which is usually welded to the base. Our goal in carrying out this analysis is to know SimulationXpress and see how this model will behave when applying constraints and forces. The applied charge will be 2,000 kg force, which is equivalent to approximately 19,615 newtons. It is important to explain that the analyses we will perform in this course are configured for didactic purposes only. Therefore, they should be studied as examples of application and use of the software. Practical applications of the cases discussed in the course should not be made, as they are merely illustrative. These studies have been planned so that you can learn how to use SimulationXpress features. Knowing SimulationXpress, you will be able to apply to your projects. But their decisions should be based on the set of information obtained both in analysis, practical experiments, and also in their experience. Let's start our analysis by going to the menu Tools, Express Products, SimulationXpress. Note that the task pane will now display SolidWorks SimulationXpress and will act as an assistant, which will guide us step by step in conducting the study. See that the first screen displayed welcomes us and explains a little bit about using SimulationXpress. Below we have a link that allows us to access a basic online tutorial and another that takes us to the portfolio of SolidWorks simulation. We also have the Options button, and by clicking on it we can define the system of units with which we want to work. We've left the international system active. We can define the folder where we will save the results of our analyses, choose the location you want. And we can also choose whether we want to highlight the maximum and minimum results of our analyses when plotting the results. We leave this option unchecked, i.e. we will not display the maximum and minimum values of our results. We have confirmed the dialog box. Note that no apparent changes have occurred, we only made important definitions for the start of the study. This concludes the initial definitions of our analysis, and in the next class we will move forward, defining the contour conditions of our project.